So next week I'm going to be going away in the van for a long time. I think I'm going to be going for about 10 days. So I'm going to get the van ready, do some preparation, and the first thing that I need to do is clean it. So the wheels are black, the body is black. This is just what happens to a white van during winter time, but you can keep on top of it. I just haven't, but we'll be giving it a good clean today. So I've got the van all clean now. I bet a lot of people who are subscribed to my channel have not seen the van this clean. I've not done it in a very long time. So now we're all clean. It's time to start filling it up with supplies to keep me going. I'm going to try and go away for about 10 days. I'm going to really try and get off grid. So making sure I'm filled up, stocked up with everything that I need, it should help me a lot. Normally when I just go away for a quick one nighter or 2 nights, I just chuck a duvet in the back. And that's good enough for me. I'm quite well stocked in the van, but when I'm going away for longer periods of time, I like to make sure I'm all prepared, get everything filled up. And now I'm going to clean the inside of the van. After like a single van night or a stealth camp where I only stay for 1 night, I don't really tend to clean the van. So after a few days of doing that, it soon adds up. So I'm going to get in, give everything a good clean, and then I'm all prepared for going away. So I've got the sleeping bag set up as well. I'm planning on going up into the Cairngorms and maybe even higher up in Scotland, so it's going to get cold. It's just me this time, so it's just going to be a solo trip. I will put my duvet in as well, but I'll put that in the next couple of days when I'm getting closer to leaving. But the sleeping bag, the hot water bottles and the duvet will definitely be a necessity this trip. So I'm all set up now in the back, I'm all tidy, I just need the duvet. But apart from that, I'm all sorted. I've got my golf clubs, I'm all loaded up with logs. There's just a couple extra things. I need to get some food, I need to fill up with fuel, and then I'm good to go.